Hey everyone, this is Paper. In this video, I'm going to go over 5 common computer problems and how to fix them. Throughout the video, I'll be ranking the issues from 1 to 10, based on difficulty resolving the issue. Let's get started. Number 1. Windows boots very slowly. You've just bought a new system with top-of-the-line specs, but somehow it manages to boot slower than your older system. Some common causes of this issue could be 1. You have a slow hard drive, or 2. You have too many startup apps. The first reason you can't fix, but you can fix the second one. I'm giving this a 9 out of 10 for resolvability. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. This will bring up the Task Manager. When Task Manager opens, press More Details and click on the Startup tab on the top. Here you can disable or enable apps to automatically start when you turn your computer on, and you can also view the impact it has on your system when booting. Disable the apps that you don't need when turning on your computer, and you should be good to go. If you have an HDD, you can also consider buying SSD, because they are faster and will significantly shorten your startup time. Issue number 2. Applications won't install. This issue is commonly caused by low disk space. This problem is relatively easy to resolve. Some fixes can include uninstalling unnecessary or unwanted apps, uninstalling older version of Windows, upgrading to a larger drive, and factory resetting. I'm giving this issue a 7 out of 10 for fixability. To fix this problem, first uninstall and delete any unwanted application. This should immediately resolve your problem, but if it does not, move on to step 2. If you recently updated to a new release of Windows, continue to step 2. If you have not, skip to step 3. Press Windows key and I to open settings. Press System, then click Storage. This should bring you to this page. Turn on Storage Sense and click Configure Storage Sense. This will bring you to this page where you can view and modify your settings for Storage Sense. On the bottom, click Delete Previous Versions of Windows. Step 3. If that still does not give you enough space, I would recommend upgrading your disk altogether. Buy something larger than your current configuration and you should be good to go. Issue number 3. Blue Screen of Death. This issue can be caused by many things, so I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10 for resolvability. Common causes can include bad drivers, old hardware, corrupted software, or missing system files. The way to fix a blue screen of death error will vary depending on what caused it. What you can do if you have received the screen is take note of the error code, restart your computer, and search it up. This usually brings you to a Microsoft website with further information and possible fixes. Problem number 4. General slow computer. This issue could be that you just have a slow computer, or it could be because of malware. If you know you just have a slow computer, watch the video in the description for tips to speed it up. I'm giving this problem a 7 out of 10 as there are lots of ways you can speed up your computer. If you know your computer is supposed to be fast, try these steps. Download or open an antivirus. I suggest Avast because it's free, but you can choose any other software. Scan it should fix the problems for you. If it doesn't, consider closing some of those Chrome tabs. They take up a lot of memory. Just generally close any window that you don't need or use, because those background processes can really stack up on your CPU. Problem number 5. Slow internet. Now this problem can be really complicated. I'm giving it a 4 out of 10. This can be caused by bad connection, an old or outdated Wi-Fi card, low bandwidth, loss of other devices using the same Wi-Fi, or malware. This can be solved by moving closer to the router or getting a Wi-Fi repeater, checking your Wi-Fi card details and making sure it supports the same version of Wi-Fi as your router, upgrading your data plan from your internet service provider, or shutting down other devices that you are not currently using. You can check your Wi-Fi card by right-clicking the Windows icon, clicking Device Manager, clicking Network Adapters, and double-clicking your Wi-Fi card. Click Advanced to see what version of Wi-Fi it is compatible with. That's it for this video. Please feel free to comment any other questions or fixes for these problems, as well as commenting other issues as well. I hope this video has helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.